Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be showing you how to upload files and folders into your own personal Google Drive from your computer. So first you're going to want to sign in and go to Google Drive. Then it will bring you to this page, and you're going to want to go to and press New. This will allow you to have a drop-down menu. There's different options such as creating a new folder, creating a new doc, a sheet, and a slide, and there's also some more. Google Sites, Google Forms, as well as these two things which we're getting to now: file upload and folder upload. So first, we're going to look at file upload. So what this allows you to do is it opens up your file manager, and it allows you to put any pictures or any documents into your Google Drive, which we will put the Danny Phantom Going Ghost thing in, and it should have this pop-up menu, one upload downloading, and then it will be complete, and you can search for it in your thing, and it will be right there. You can press on it, and it should show up as a picture. Print it, add a comment to it, download it, even though it should already be on your computer. And then, what we're going to do now is we're going to put a folder into your Google Drive. So what we're going to want to do there is it will bring you up to the small little pop-up window. And what I'm going to put on mine, I will just put on, say, camera roll. Anything you would like, you can do any folder what you would like. And you're going to upload one file to the site, and this should be done. There you go, and there should be your camera roll or whatever folder you put in right there. You can also drag any file that you've uploaded already into this specific folder. And how you delete it is you would right click it and then just press remove. Thank you. And that is how you upload files and folders to your Google Drive. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.